In Japan, unagi, freshwater eel, is more than food, it's a symbol of summer stamina and cultural tradition. On Doyo no Ushi no Hai, people line up at specialty restaurants for a dish believed to boost energy in the sweltering heat. The eel's mysterious life cycle and rarity make it one of Japan's most expensive delicacies. The high price starts with the scarcity of glass eels, tiny wild-caught juveniles that can't be bred commercially. Fishermen must catch them as they drift in from the ocean, a process that's difficult and tightly regulated. The journey of the Japanese eel, from the Mariana Trench to Japanese rivers, is a natural marvel. For the Japanese, unagi is a luxury, a connection to the ocean, and a testament to resilience. Its story is one of culinary artistry and a delicate balance with nature. The journey of farmed eel begins with the winter hunt for glass eels, tiny, transparent, and worth more than their weight in gold. Once caught, they're transported to high-tech farms and placed in tanks that mimic their natural habitat. Farmers carefully monitor water quality and temperature, weaning the eels onto a protein-rich diet to encourage growth. As they mature, eels are moved to larger, sensor-equipped ponds, and their feed is upgraded to nutrient-packed pellets. The goal transforms fragile glass eels into robust, market-ready fish in under a year. Farmers sort eels by size to prevent cannibalism and ensure even growth. Every detail is managed, from water flow to feeding schedules, blending tradition with technology. The result is a prized ingredient for Japanese cuisine. This process is a testament to Japan's mastery of aquaculture. Modern eel farms are marvels of engineering, clean, climate-controlled, and packed with smart technology. Water is filtered, sterilized, and oxygenated to keep eels healthy and stress-free. Smart tanks automate feeding and monitor eel behavior, alerting farmers to any issues. Feed formulas are closely guarded secrets, designed for optimal growth and flavor. Automated systems deliver precise amounts, minimizing waste. Harvesting is gentle, using water currents to guide eels for collection, preserving meat quality. Every step from tank to table is shaped by science and a deep understanding of the eel. This precision ensures a consistently high-quality product. After harvest, eels are purified in cold water, then humanely chilled for tender, clean-tasting meat. Skilled chefs quickly fillet and debone the eels, preparing them for grilling. The fillets are skewered and grilled over charcoal, then repeatedly dipped in a sweet savory tear sauce. This sauce, often aged for decades, gives Kabayaki its signature caramelized glaze. The result? Crispy outside, juicy inside, and packed with umami. Modern packaging, vacuum sealing, and flash freezing lets Kabayaki travel the world without losing quality. Even the bones and trimmings are used for snacks and broths, reflecting the Japanese principle of no waste. Every step is about maximizing flavor and honoring the eel. The final dish is a masterpiece of tradition and technique. The eel industry's future hinges on the fragile supply of wild glass eels. Overfishing and habitat loss have spurred a scientific quest to breed eels entirely in captivity. Researchers have succeeded in raising eels from eggs, but commercial production remains elusive due to the larvae's complex diet and low survival rates. Meanwhile, stricter regulations and improved farming techniques aim to protect wild stocks and boost sustainability. The industry is evolving, balancing tradition with urgent ecological concerns. The journey of unagi is a blend of ancient culture, modern science, and environmental challenge. Its future depends on unlocking the secrets of its life cycle. Until then, every bite is a taste of a rare and precious balance between nature and human ingenuity.